So nobody actually likes to clean, do they? Okay, one person. But nobody likes to clean except that person. This makes it a little bit easier. You still have to do something, but the elbow grease. So I'm gonna use this with a trash can, the kitchen trash can of all things. I'll show you how it turns out. So the steam cleaner comes with a really nice cord, good length, solid, well built. It's easy to handle. It's got a nice handle on it, a nice reservoir for the water. You kind of think of an iron in terms of how it functions, except that it pressurizes the steam out the nozzle. To that nozzle, you can hook up this longer hose that I use in this video. There are also some other attachments for different types of surfaces. So this is a hard surface cleaner. It's not like a steamer for carpet or upholstery, but you're going to use it on tile or kitchen stuff or hard floors. So we're going to focus in here on just cleaning one area in the trash can. It's not clean yet. Here's the before. The machine takes a couple of minutes to heat up and be ready to go. So kitchens can be so nasty, and kids make it a lot worse. So the nastiest place is everything around the trash can. So this is pretty bad, but I'm showing it to you anyway. And I'm going to show you what this steam cleaner will do. It's actually the first time I've used it. My kids and my wife enjoy it, but I'm the video guy, so. Pretty satisfying sound. Supposedly you're supposed to just be able to wipe. Everything's clean. Without the elbow grease. Let's go here at the step. If you're curious, it's a simple human trash can. Does a good job. Has a lock on it so that your dog can't get in it, or if you have young children. My children aren't that young, but they're still messy. So I'll go closer with the camera in just a second and show you what result I'm getting. I'm gonna go on the floor here. I'm gonna go on the back side. I've got something stuck. I know this is gross, but there's something stuck right here that's not wanting to come off. I'm gonna see if the heat and steam will do it too. Okay, part of this is I really like gadgets. Get about 122 degrees there. Just being realistic. Whatever this is here, I don't know if it's peanut butter or, but it's still there. It's gonna tear the paint up. And I'm the guy that paints everything, so let's not tear the paint up. I already did. That's probably not a good idea. So this tool is going to be more for tile or really hard surfaces, not your paint, like I just did. So I'm going to hit this spot one more time. Really nasty spot there that collects stuff. It's just an after video, still a little wet, but it is much cleaner. So is the wall beside the trash can. So I would give it a big thumbs up for this job. So we'll wrap up by looking at the before and the after. This is the before, the after. The point here really is the lack of effort. So this is really easy to use. It's lightweight. It was not exhausting to clean, and the effort you put into this is much easier with the steam cleaner than, say, with using just some other kind of cleaner where you're rubbing and scrubbing to get everything clean. So is it a good product for the money? Well, it's pretty expensive, but I think it's going to make cleaning easier. And if you use it on a lot of different things, I think it will make cleaning around the home or the car easier.